Right, everybody, welcome to a new Let's Play. This is going to be White Noise Online. We are playing with I Am Mr. Henshaw, and we are going to absolutely cack it, aren't we, Bradley?
Yes. I'm really not looking forward to this.
I'm really not. Oh god. Right, let's begin. Velma and Fred from Scooby-Doo fighting some mysteries, playing a game that's a lot like Slender. Don't rape me. Don't rape me in the forest. The monster will do that for me.
Rock shaped like a mouth.
Right, I think we should camp in there for the rest of our lives.
Happily. I can't get in.
Shit. Right, if the viewers would actually look, this game is a lot, and I mean a lot like Slender.
After you get chased by something that looks like a... Actually, I don't know what it looks like.
We looked at the pictures before we looked.
Slender's taking steroids.
Yeah, we looked at the pictures before we came on, and literally it's like Slender's buff cousin, and he's like, Slendy, do you even lift, bro? Do you even lift? It's like, you know, if Slenderman wasn't so scary, he'd be like some white-ass nerd in comparison. Brad, don't run off, blow me! Oh god, my controller's vibrating because it's got like heartbeats going for my character because she's not very fit.
Got a heart attack.
I think I'm gonna have a heart attack, to be honest. We haven't even seen this thing yet, and I'm cacking it. Yeah, we will scream.
This thing just comes out of like the corner and just punches me in the face. I'm not very pleased. That bloke's really unfit. I just like ran for like 2 seconds and he's already out of breath.
Oh god, we've come to some lock gate. Brad, I don't want to turn around, to be perfectly honest.
Nothing happened.
Oh god, thank goodness. Owl, shut the fuck up. Oh god. That owl is pissing me off. Fuck off, owl!
There's just a pair of 2 giant hands. They're like
it's like God's a woman, and the hands are reaching up to touch her breasts.
Perfect.
Oh wait.
There's a radio.
Hello. Oh my god, that fucking scared the shit out of me. Brad, oh god.
Ah! I saw it!
What? Where?
I don't know.
Where?
Right-hand side
Wait,
somewhere.
Brad, I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything, bro. You shitting me with me, bro.
I saw it, Tyler.
Don't lie. You saw nothing.
It left me. Ah! Saw it again!
Where? Oh my god! Brad, where are you?
I'm over by the statue. Freaky.
I'm right behind you. That thing was looking at me like
Oh god, Tyler!
Oh no! Oh god! Hello? Oh no! Brad, where are you?
I'm over by the thing. Ah, it's still there.
What thing? Oh god!
Tyler, don't look to your right.
Don't. What? What? Am I right? Oh god! Seriously, I've got the goosebumps. I have got the goosebumps.
I got number tape.
I'm gonna share if I
Best of a better radio. Tape.
It's obviously pre-2000. Wow, these people are very unhealthy.
I reckon my bloke's like 50 stones.
Oh god. Does he even lift?
Nah, mate.
No, I tell you, that's probably why this like buff guy is chasing us. He's what? Don't what? No!
Tyler's over there by a tree.
Where?
Tyler, mate, he is like ripped. He's behind a tree.
What tree?
Tyler, where are you?
360 no scopes. Oh, Bradley.
Ready?
Hold me.
Boom! Oh, no, I missed.
What? Where are you? Oh shit.
I had a 360 no scope with no gun.
No scope and no gun. 360 no gun.
Yep, that's exactly. Well, actually, yeah.
Right, we just span in circles a bunch, so I've no idea where we came from or where we're... Don't run off without me, don't run off, don't run off. Why you turn your flashlight off, you dipshit?
I wanted you to lose me, so you was all on your own.
Oh god. No! Don't run off, don't run off. No, Bradley!
Oh, at this rate, my bloke's going nowhere. It's more like to pass out.
Oh god, no. Don't run off, please. Please. You can't lose me.
Damn it, I can't lose you.
Want you to release me, yeah. No.
I'm heading for that massive tree. I'm heading for that massive tree over there.
Oh man.
Hey, look, I found something. Oh, lovely.
What? What's lovely?
I don't know if these are greys or not, but whoever designed them, he likes the same.
I don't think they were an expert in engineering.
No.
They weren't a Wilkes.
Is this engineering?
How big do those tape recorders have to be?
I don't know. I think they're like, make them huge.
I think we're nicking his tape recorders.
Is that why he's pissed? Buy him a CD player, he'll be alright.
Buy him a CD player.
Buy him an iPod. I'll give you my iPod touch, leave me alone. Just throw it in his face.
Oh no! Oh god!
Ah! Behind me! It's right behind me, Tyler!
YOLO! Oh, what's going on?
It's chasing me!
It's dangerous to go alone! What? Phil? Bradley! Brad?
Tyler,
Brad, my screen's all fuzzy. What? My flashlight's flickering. What's going on? Bradley, please do not shoot with me. Where are you? Where are you?
I've been eaten!
What, you been eaten? No!
Tyler, where are you?
It's behind me! No!
I just see your flashlight!
No!
Tyler, run back towards the graveyard!
What? Why?
I'm catching up with you. Don't you see?
Oh god, you scared me. You scared me.
I'm dead, Tyler, by the way.
I can note that.
Have you noticed?
Yeah. Oh god, don't move your head like that. Your bowl haircut just scared me. Brad,
Hey,
can you see my flashlight? It is actually flickering. This thing is about to run. Oh no!
that was me, you idiot.
No, it's there! Bring it, you fuck! Bring it! I'm not.
I can't see it! Oh dear, we died. We found 3 out of 8 pages, which is, not bad. Look who got all the tape recorders. No wonder it came from me first. You screamed twice.
Now let's look how the ship fest went.
Look at you, just following me.
No,
Follow the lead.
half of it is like you trying to lose me.
Yeah, I'm trying bit where we split up. I'm screaming. Oh god.
That's where I scream. We just went in like what?
I scream again.
I think this is where we get like split up. I don't know. We just crossed that. We're going back to the start.
Wow.
We just did like a loop-de-loop.
Maybe we can draw a picture by doing this.
Try our best.
Oh, wait.
Oh god.
Oh god, that's what. Oh, look, I'm dead. Hey, look, I'm running after you.
I screamed and died like a split second later. Right, everyone. Oh god, it's only like a 11-minute video, but that was white noise online. It's a fucking scary game.
We gotta do more of this.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna come back with more of it. But for now, if you're new to the channel and enjoy the content, subscribe, leave a like and a favorite if you enjoyed the video in general. And Bradley, do you have anything to say before we sign this off?
I want to know what steroids he's using.
Bro, what shit?